Hey, how y'all doing? Sir Warrior Loft here. I'm just sitting up here right now. It's going into evening. I got Coop 1 out, which is the Saddlebacks. Yeah. Yes, sir. Looking good, Saddles. Looking good. Hey, my birdies. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these are the ones that I kept for myself. I kind of like them. Hey, birdies. Hey. Let me get a little closer to them so y'all can take a good look at them. Especially her. That's my baby. Keep on going down the line. Calm down, big boy. Yeah, I got a pair of white bars in there as well, too. Well, I just had to, keep on giving y'all briefings of what's going down here. Yeah, no. They're on breeding mode right now. Plus, they're not settled. This is their first time out in the screen box. So peace and love and God bless. Sir Warrior Love signing off.